So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So which topic we are discussing as a group discussion today?
Can illiterates be given driving license?
Can illiterates be given driving license or DL? Okay. So just we will discuss this topic. First you will let know about the driving license. What is driving license? So Harshit, what is driving license?
By, by the help of driving license, we can drive the car with full of laws. And if we have no driving license, so we can't drive car because it is illegal.
Actually, driving license is a document. So, by the government, we can authorize to drive the car. Okay, just means how many minimum age required for the driving license?
18.
18 years. Okay, for girls or boys both. Okay, same. Okay, so basically, we require driving license whenever we complete our age 18. Okay, after that you will able to drive car or any vehicles in India. Okay. So actually driving license has different types. It's just like for means personal vehicles, for regular vehicles, just like commercial vehicles and all. Different types of driving license. Just like two-wheeler driving license, four-wheeler driving license. That's all. Okay. So now we are discussing about means first you have to tell Tejal what is means what is literate people and illiterate people.
So, illiterate people. Okay, so illiterate is someone who doesn't know that means they haven't studied. Like nowadays, we all are students and we are doing studies, but illiterates are those who haven't done the studies in their childhood, and now also they are not doing. But illiterates. Don't have that much knowledge, or they, as you all know, that they haven't studied, so they don't have knowledge of these things.
In simple words, illiterates is that person means they are not able to read or write. Okay, so they are illiterate, and we all are literate. Just we can know how to read and how to write. It's not all. It's not all about study. Okay, just so now we are starting our topic. Yes, Ayush, you can start now.
Yes, sir. As we are discussing on a topic, can illiterates be given driving license? So first of all, I will tell you what is driving license. So as sir said that driving license is a document. So as I want to say that driving license is a document that is given to a person who has completed his graduation of driving a vehicle. Basically, he has practiced that much that he can drive a car without having an accident. Properly, he can drive a car properly or vehicle properly. Also, that because he is given driving license. As we know, that in our culture a lot of accidents held in our society because of the person who do not have a driving license. Driving license ensure that the pupil is a graduated with driving or not. Now let's come on the topic that can illiterates be given driving license or not. Yes, I think illiterates can given driving license. It's not about that they are graduated or not. It's about that they are how much they are practicing or they are doing about their work. So if they are practicing daily, so they will get a driving license. If they are not, so it will hard for them to get a driving license. Thank you.
Yes, according to me, it's a weak one like because if anyone, if any literature is not up to 18 plus age, so they have to not even driving license. And if any literature is up to 18 plus age, so they have to driving license. And if literature don't know how to drive car, so they have to then given driving license. If literatures know how to drive a car, so they have to given driving license.
So I am agree with the Ayush point. So I want to say that illiterates can get the driving license because we know that illiterates are who are not educated. But if we tell them ID means they are having some experience, they know some rules and regulation, and they can easily drive the any vehicle, and uh, they can also get the license by the government if they 18 plus, and there is a not having any personal issue. If they are illiterate, that's not their problem, that's their problem of the family. Means illiterate we can give a driving license if they are having some knowledge about the rules and regulations of a driving. Thank you.
Yes, I am agree with Suresh and Ayush point. Now I will tell you how we can get driving license. So we already know that we get driving license at the age of above 18, and if we want driving license, so we have to pass a test. In the test, teachers driving teachers have already tell about the traffic rules and signs, so we have to learn it goodly, by which we can drive safely. Now I will tell you, can illiterates be given driving license or not? I think they should give a driving license, because it's not matter that they can't read or study, but it's a matter that they should know about the traffic rules, traffic signs, by which they can drive easily and safely.
Yes, I agree with you fully, and in my opinion, the illiterates can have the right to get the driving license, because if they know how to drive a car or a two vehicle or a bike, so he can get the he can get the driving license, and if he is above 18, so he can, but if he is not above 18, so he will not get the driving license. And there are so many safety rules that every person have to follow, that wear a helmet, and always stop in traffic, and always know about the signs of the traffic.
I agree with all of you, but some people give driving license to him, but they don't know about. They cannot do drive car. Some people don't give because they know about they cannot drive.
Yes, I am agree with all of you. Yes, yes, illiterate people can be given driving license because they have their right to given driving license, and if they know how to drive car, so they have to given driving license. So yeah, I agree with everyone as they told that illiterates can be given driving license. So according to me, yes, they can be given driving license because it is all about driving. It doesn't matter that they need to read or they need to write, because driving is another thing and reading and writing is another thing. If somebody knows the rules and regulations of driving, so they can be given driving license. But if any of the illiterate didn't know any of the rules and the regulations of driving, so they are not be able to get the driving license. As Harshit told that there is a test, so they will be able to get the driving license. So yeah, I agree. If somebody know all the rules and regulations but they don't know how to drive, so they are not be able to get the driving license, because driving license is a document which shows that they know driving very well and they can driving.
So yes, I am agree to all of you, and according to me, yes, illiterates should be given driving license, because there is nothing to learn in driving license, and but we have to only understand the functions of a car.
So yeah, now we all have told our opinion. So now I want to ask a question to Khush. I want to ask to you that name two type of tests that are held in a driving license test.
Sorry, Ayush, I am unable to give you answer of that question.
Okay, so Harshit Agarwal, can you give the answer? So the question is, what are name the two type of tests which are held in a driving license program?
First, the test of our eyes. the driving teacher test our eyes, that our eyes are able to see everything or not. Second is the test of science. First we have to know about all the traffic signs by which we can drive safely.
Yeah, you have told the right words. So now, Harsh, tell some question to.
Now I want to ask a question to Sri. If you are going to any place in a traffic, and so how can you know a person, if they don't a person, somebody don't know how to drive a car fully, and a person know how to drive a car fully?
I can easily find from their expressions, because if he don't know how to drive car, so he is feeling nervous, and the person who know driving license, so he is fully confident and don't having any nervousness. Thank you.
What a simple idea. In the back glass of a car, there is a sign of red color L.
Yes, you are telling right, but Ayush, I am not fully agree with you with your question, because in a driving program there are 3 tests mainly, and just Harshit said 2, and one is our driving the bike comfortably and safely.
I have seen at so many places that some illiterates can't pass the test, so they can't given driving license. But I have seen that they give like they support the corruption, like they have give some money to get driving license. So it's bad. So we have to decrease this.
Yeah, Harshit Yadav, I disagree with you. That you said there are 3 tests. Yeah, I agree with you that there are 3 tests. But I have said that name the two type of test. Now Purvi, ask something.
Yes, ask something. You can give a driving license to.
So I will be the teacher of the driving license master. So I will check the illiterate that he knows all the signs and the visibility of the student, and if he knows all the signs, and if her visibility will be good, so I can give her. But in that case, sometimes someone don't give the driving license to the illiterates, because they don't know how to read English, Hindi, and so many boards are in English and Hindi. So so many people don't give driving license to illiterates.
So yes, I am agree with you. But sometimes the people are that much capable that they studied but not fully educated. So on that situation, some people who are not illiterate, they take classes, because nowadays in every city there are lots of teachers who teach to how to drive car, etc. And they also teach that the science and the rules of the driving car, etc.
According to me, yes, the illiterates can give the driving license, because they can easily drive car, because his knowledge.
So in the conclusion, I would like to say that illiterates can give the driving license, and I am agree with the all of or everyone. So please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.